So delivery came today. Continental engineered piston ring set. They've been manufacturing quality piston rings since 1915 and they have unsurpassed performance. But most importantly, they're 4.057 to fit Oldsmobile. Anyway, this is the part that I really like about them. They come in these awesome little bags. This is one complete set for one piston. When you fold it out, made in the US. Right, this goes in your bottom groove. It's your oil control ring. This is the scraper. It installs in the second ring, but the outside groove goes down, and the top groove is the compression ring. And if it's beveled, it says to install it facing up. Another box arrived. I haven't actually unwrapped this one yet, but Federal Mogul. Oh, good. Oh, lube. This is what the actual delivery is. This is a set of factory replacement pistons. I'm going to measure how deep that is. You on there? Okay. So it's 61 mils across and it's 6 mils deep. 17,534 cubic millimeters, 17 cubic centimeters. 1968 low compression spec. And I was thinking about returning these, but I guess I'll keep these guys now. That's quite the lick. I'm very happy about that. Can you see me? Another box has arrived, so this is another unboxing video. Oh, there we go. Now this is the good stuff. You can just nip out the way. There we go. Lunati Bracket Master double roller timing chain and gear set. Lunati hydraulic lifters. Lovely. That is a full set of valve spring, 350 pound seat pressure. That is a box of valve retainers, and there is a bunch of collets. Got a few more boxes coming, and I'm really excited because this is starting to come together. Turkey tray. Rock Auto. Look, I ordered this stuff like 2 days ago. How's it even here? It is in here. Let's look. Oh, yes. Oh, Delco. That is one front strut. That is genuine AC Delco air ride for the level ride shocks in the back. I kind of felt that I've been pushing the envelope a bit by using the original shocks, you know, from 1988 that sat out in a field for 16 years? Yeah, 16 years. They look kind of rough. These guys do not. Wonderful! That's a rear main for a Ford, but it actually fits into the Olds 350, and it's rubber instead of a rope seal, so that's great. And get this going out. And this is the heavy duty pan gasket out of a diesel 5.7 litre. So in case you didn't know, Olds made a diesel version of my engine, and this is the uprated seal for that guy. Pretty exciting unboxing days. Love it. Oh, there we go. And that's what was missing from the last kit, the air hose kit. Okay, now this is going to be a big old unboxing because there's a whole bunch of boxes of speed parts and miscellaneous bits and pieces. Yes, that does say Jegs. A new old stock timing cover. Oh, beauty. One complete Clevite rocker assembly with bridges. Whoop, there we go. Oh, it's a freeze plug kit. Right. Oh, should be main bearings. Yep, and yep. There you go. New main bearings. And these will be rod bearings. Oh yes. This is the rest of my rockers. What is this? Oh! It's the fuel pump for the Cadillac. This appears to be a box of speed parts. Actually, it's not. I already know what's in this box. It's a reproduction chrome dipstick. Oops. Velcro master gasket set. Mods 350. So that's everything. Now we're just waiting on a delivery from Summit Racing. Summit Racing box. Oh my god. So many things in the box with heaps of packing. Summit decals. I don't even remember what I ordered off them anymore. What's this? Oh, shim kit for the springs. Whoops. These are breather grommets. Little push in air filters to go with these guys. I hope, maybe not. That's a ventilated oil filler cap. This is why everything was held up for so long. It's a transmission reprogrammer. And this is to control the lockup converter in the 204R. This is a box of... oh, this is a transmission service kit, so it's a new filter and seals. Okay. It's a bag in a bag in a box. New push rod. This is a new oil pump that has never had any radiator stop leak in it. This is the pickup for the oil pump. Engine mounts. Bought a pair of engine mounts. Cam bearing install tool. New brake pads from Bendix. And then, what is that? Summit. Oh, HEI rebuild package with all of the electronics and goodies in it. This is actually everything I think I needed apart from the cam bearings that are still on the way. But we should be able to start reassembling the engine pretty soon. And for that I'm pretty stoked. One last one. Oh. Yeah. King. Cam bearings, yay.